Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to remove Microsoft Bing from Chrome as default browser. First of all, go to web browser on your device. Now, click on the three dots on the top right of your screen. From the menu, select More Tools. Here, select Extensions. From here, remove all such extensions which are not in use. You can do this by clicking on the Remove button dedicated for each extension. Or you can also disable all the extensions by simply unchecking them. After this, again, go to Menu. Here, select Settings. Now, search for Security. From here, go to Standard Protection. Here, check the Help Improve Security on the web for everyone. Now, click on the Start menu. Here, you have to go to Settings. From the window that opens, select Update and Security. After this, go to Virus and Threat Protection. Now, under the current threats, select Quick Scan. From Scan Options, click on Full Scan. And then, click on Scan Now. And that's it. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.